Our first order of business this evening is a proclamation, and we have in front of us a proclamation for National Healthcare Week. On the line with us this evening, we've got Serena Cruz, Executive Director of Virginia Garcia Memorial Foundation. And so we welcome you. I am going to read a proclamation, and then we'll have a little dialogue. National Health Center Week Proclamation. Whereas for over 45 years, Virginia Garcia Memorial Health Center, part of a nationwide network of community health centers, has provided high quality, affordable, comprehensive primary and preventative health care to our county's underserved, our country's underserved communities, delivering value to and having a significant impact on the region's healthcare system. And whereas healthcare centers like Virginia Garcia are a critical element of the health system, serving both rural and urban communities, and often providing the only accessible and dependable source of primary care in their communities. And whereas every day Virginia Garcia develops new approaches to integrating a wide range of services beyond primary care, including oral health, vision, behavioral health, and pharmacy services to meet the needs and challenges of our diverse community. And whereas the health center model of Virginia Garcia continues to prove an effective means of overcoming barriers to healthcare access, including geography, income, insurance status, improving healthcare outcomes, and reducing healthcare systems costs. Whereas health centers like Virginia Garcia reduce overall cost of care by helping manage patient chronic conditions, keeping them out of costlier healthcare settings like hospital emergency rooms. And whereas the healthcare centers like Virginia Garcia are on the front line of emerging healthcare crisis, providing access to care of our nation's veterans, addressing the opioid epidemic, and responding to public health threats, including the COVID-19. And whereas Virginia Garcia Memorial Health Center provides primary and dental care for 1 in 9 residents of Yamhill County through their clinics, mobile outreach, and more. And whereas right here in our city of McMinnville is home to McMinnville Primary Care and Dental Clinics, providing primary, dental, pharmaceutical, healthcare services to thousands in our community and employs over 60 people. And whereas National Healthcare Week offers us the opportunity to celebrate Virginia Garcia's delivery sites, their dedicated staff, board members, patients, and all those responsible for their continued success and growth since Virginia Garcia opened their doors more than 45 years ago. Now, therefore, I, Scott A. Hill, Mayor of the City of McMinnville, do hereby proclaim August 9th through 15th, 2020 to be National Healthcare Week. I encourage all residents to learn more about their local community health care and take part in this week by following them on social media, lending your voice in advocacy, and if possible, by donating to their work. In witness thereof, I have herefore set my hand and caused this official seal of the City of McMinnville to be affixed this, the 28th day of July, 2020, signed Scott A. Hill, Mayor of the City of McMinnville. Serena, we recognize the good work your agency does. Go ahead and you can address the council, and we will get a copy of the proclamation over to you so that you will have that in hand.
Thank you so very much, Mayor Hill and councilors. I really appreciate this opportunity to join you tonight. As Mayor Hill said, I am Serena Cruz, the Executive Director of the Virginia Garcia Memorial Foundation. And on behalf of the 600 individuals that work at Virginia Garcia, we thank you for proclaiming August 9th through 15th as National Health Center Week. Our work serving 52,000 people each year throughout Washington and Yamhill counties has never been more important as we continue to strive to meet the demands of our communities during this COVID-19 crisis. I am so proud of the work that my colleagues do every day. The care that we and every other community health center in our country provide is truly extraordinary. From addressing barriers that keep our communities healthy, from being healthy, and advocating on behalf of our patients. We really love being a part of McMinnville's community, and we are just grateful to you for all that you do to make this such a wonderful place for folks to live, work, and play.
Serena, that thank you goes back to you for all that you do, serving those that have healthcare needs that are underserved, and it's a real gem. And I hear great things of your service and your customer service, people wanting to come back. So again, we recognize you this evening. We'll get that proclamation over to you and continue your great work.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And if you or any of members of the council would ever like a tour, I would be so very happy to meet you at the clinic and give you a tour of our comprehensive primary and dental clinic right here in the heart of McMinnville.
Thank you.